Hi, today we are going to be taking an unboxing review of vanilla bean flavored 14 ounces or 4 grams lip balm. So yeah, these things are kind of a cool little design. And it says it, actually on the little cup, vanilla, or no, it says on the cup, warm and toasty. So the actual flavors on the package label. So, package labels actually tells you the flavor, vanilla bean, but on the little coffee cup, it says warm and toasty. So, warm and toasty is vanilla bean. Wish I told you vanilla bean on there instead of warm and toasty, but yeah. Where did I get this at? Target for $1. So, if you want to pick one of these up, go Target. Check their little dollar and up section that you usually hear about the front of the store, and that's where I picked this up at. So let me grab my coffee cup here and kind of show you what I mean. Yeah, see? It's just a miniature micro version of this. And what's cool is this one is, a plastic one, and this is plastic. Except this is, a little bit more done like a traditional one that has the black lids that, you get for like maybe $13 or Wendy's or Burger King, those little tan go cups where you usually have that little tab that covers the little sippy part that you have to pull up and then bend over and push down. That's kind of what this one looks a little bit more like. Well, this one's, it's already good to go. And I know I didn't put this lid on there because I just made this. This one's still hot, so yeah. But, just for the show. So yeah, let's open it up, take a lid, see if it's worth it or if it's not actually worth it. And trying to crawl it to get it out of the package, it's a little pain. There we go. So now we can actually take a look. Let's take a look at the top. Not that bad. And I think they actually put this on backwards. Nope. I believe that is like that. You take that and cover it over like that. I don't know. It's kind of a little design. There we go. That was says warm and toasty. Which that instead of saying warm and toasty, I actually say vanilla bean, because that is the actual flavor of it, vanilla bean. So yeah, let's pop the cap off. Comes off pretty easily. Oh, and the little bottom piece underneath the label, you just twist that, and then that's how you actually get to twist up and then twist it the opposite way to put it back in the container. Because I was looking at it just as, I got it out, and I was like, how do you push it up if you want more? Is it one of those that you actually gotta push your finger in there and then push it up like, those little push pops that you used to get when you were a kid, from the ice cream truck? Because that's kind of what it looked like, but no, it is a actual twist and turn one, which is actually way better. Let's see, scent wise. Oh my god, it is actually a nice vanilla bean. Like actual vanilla bean extract. Like if you actually smell 2 per vanilla bean, not that fake imitation BS stuff, but actual go to the store, expensive to buy the actual beans, true bean extract that you're gonna put in homemade ice cream and stuff. That's what this smells like. It smells like the real deal. They didn't even BS on the imitation vanilla bean extract. They went full out and put the real vanilla bean extract in there. Not that imitation BS stuff, but the real stuff in there. You could definitely smell what's imitation and what's the real deal. Real deal right here. how does it go on? You know, to apply it to the lips. Actually, I am very surprised at this. It actually goes on smooth and easy. Now, I thought, you know, for dour, for a non-name brand, you know, off-brand, generic brand type of product, that it was going to be, you know, very hard, very fit, that you would have to, like, you know, put a lot of force in it and, like, be draining it across your lips to even try to get a small little amount on your lips. But no, this one, you just tap it and glide it across and it goes on. Oh, and the flavor is awesome. True vanilla bean flavor. I mean, oh man, that is just deliciously flavorful. You know. Which, like I said, this actually blew my mind at, you know, the quality of this product. Because, like I said, you know, for Dour at Target, you know, and the Dour and Up section that they have now by, like, the front of the store. And for it not actually being a name brand, you know, like, what's all the name brands? There's Lip Smacker, there's Burt's Bees, you know, his brand. There's Colette's. Let's see. There's a EOS brand. You know, EOS, I guess how you say it. Well, there's like so many other brands out there. There's like, you know, the chapstick brand, the Blitztets brand, you know, just a couple for like name brands to name off. And this one's definitely right up there with some of the name brands. I would say this one's like right up there with the Burt's Bees one, because of how you apply it and how smooth it is and greasy it is, like that. But the scent of it is definitely on par with the Colette's one. So if you've seen the Colette's one for that oatmeal mixed berry one, scent wise, a very great scent that they have. Quality wise, it's actually, you know, how greasy it is or easy it is to apply to your lips, just like the Burt's Bees one. So they took the super high priced Burt's Bees one that has great quality to apply to your lips and stuff. Then, you know, it's actually easy to apply to your lips, and they combine it with the Colette's one that is horrible on the closing on the container, and, you know, the actual applying to your lips, where it's like, it just doesn't work. But the scent wise, it's just like the Colette's one. Great scent from the Colette's with great quality from the Burt's Bees. You had those two, you put them together, what you get this for $1. Scent, true scent, no BS irritation scent. Quality of applying to your lips, smooth, easy, just like the Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees plus Colette's equals this. Oh yeah, yep. So yeah. Now the cap doesn't actually stay on that good. So, you know, don't travel with it or take it in your pocket or purse. You know, if you're going to do that, just take like a chapstick. But yeah, for a neat little novelty that actually looks like a coffee cup, because, you know, I drink my coffee. I love my coffee. I'm a coffee lover. So yeah. To actually have a miniature version of this, I don't know, like, compared to size-wise, would that be like a 1/4 or a 1/100? I don't know, but definitely, you know, if it was made a little bit smaller, or if they actually had something from like Thinkgiver or Thinkiverse, I think it was called, you know, where it's like a free 3D printing site where you just get like the schematic, PDF, you know, blueprint files to download, and then you have to actually have your own printer to print them out. If someone could actually make a miniature coffee cup like this, that, you know, you could either give to your Gundam or your Gunpla model kits, that would be pretty awesome. Or if they could make the same thing like this, but maybe just a wee bit smaller, that you could give to your Lego minifigures, that would be pretty awesome. And not only that, if they could make like some labels for a label sheet that you could print out and put on there, like what says like Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, you know, any other company out there, that would be pretty good. But like, you know, so I said you 3D printed it, maybe, you know, just have the logo on there, and 3D print. Unless you have a 3D printer nowadays, they could actually print in like 2 different colors, so that you could put 2 different, you know, those little plastic lines in there from those spools, and then it'll probably go like, you know, print it up in one color, then stop, print it in the other color, like for the label design, and then stop, and then print it up more for the actual top piece. I'm starting to see those type of prints come out. Not that many, but they are coming out, which I think is actually a pretty good idea. Now, if they could do it like come out forward with that, you know, 2-print design, but go and push it forward where they had like maybe a 3-color printer design. Well, as you can see, this would be like a 3-color. The cup would be white. The label's kind of like a brownish color. Not brown, a beige. Like a grayish beige color for the label, and then, you know, the actual brown right here. That would be pretty awesome. To have that for a Lego minifigure, or even an actual model kit, yeah, I would definitely put it out. So yeah, definitely, if you think, you know, for $1 at Target, is it worth it? Definitely it's worth it. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the warm and toasty vanilla bean lip balm. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.